Welcome! In this video, we're going to address a common frustration: Snapchat not working. Whether you're having trouble sending snaps, viewing stories, or even logging in, there are several steps you can take to resolve these issues. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing to ensure is that you have a stable internet connection. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, a weak connection can lead to various app issues. Step 2. Update Snapchat. It's essential to keep your app up to date. Make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. You can easily update it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Step 3. Clear Snapchat cache. Head to your profile, tap the cogwheel icon for settings, scroll down and select Clear Cache. This can help eliminate any temporary files that might be causing problems. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your phone can resolve app-related issues. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh your device. Step 5. Check for Snapchat outages. Before troubleshooting further, check a site like Down Detector to see if there are any reported outages affecting Snapchat. This could explain why the app isn't working. Step 6. Reinstall Snapchat. If the problems persist, consider uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the Google Play Store. This can fix any corrupted files causing the issues. Step 7. Check app permissions. Go into your phone's settings, find Snapchat, and ensure that all necessary permissions, like camera and storage, are enabled. Without these permissions, the app may not function correctly. Step 8. Log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out of your account and then logging back in can refresh your session and resolve issues. Step 9. Turn off battery saver. Make sure Snapchat is exempt from any battery saver settings on your phone. Battery saver can limit app performance and lead to problems. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Snapchat not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.